Hi there. How to use the Save As function in Microsoft Word. The Save As function presents us with a few options that we can do with our Word document. The first option is that you can choose to save the document on a different file name. Second, you can also choose where to save the document. The third option is that you can save the document in a different file format by clicking on Save As Type. With this, you can choose which file format you want to save your document. Let's say, for example, that you are sending your document to another person, and then he replies back that he cannot open the document that you've sent. What you can do is ask him what version of Microsoft Word he is using. And if he replies that he is using a lower version than what you are using, you can choose to save the document using Word 97 to 2003 document. And that is how to use the File Save As function in Microsoft Word. The File Save As function is also present with other Microsoft Office applications. And the options are almost the same. Thank you for watching.